This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Coriza Nasal Spray is designed for effective relief from nasal congestion in children. This spray helps clear nasal passages for easier breathing. Indications and uses. This nasal spray is indicated for the relief of nasal congestion caused by various conditions such as common colds, sinusitis, and allergic rhinitis. By reducing swelling and mucus production in the nasal passages, it helps restore normal airflow, providing comfort and ease of breathing. How it works. The spray works by narrowing the blood vessels in the nasal passages, which reduces swelling and allows for clearer airflow. Directions for use. To use this nasal spray, gently instill 1 to 2 drops into each nostril as directed by your physician. It is important to clean the dropper or nozzle after each application to maintain hygiene. Avoid using the spray for more than 7 days without consulting a healthcare professional, and discard any unused portion after 28 days of opening. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include nasal dryness, irritation, or a burning sensation after application. If these effects worsen or if more serious symptoms arise, contact a healthcare provider immediately. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised when using this spray in individuals with heart diseases, diabetes, or hyperthyroidism. It is not recommended for children under 6 years of age or for those with certain nasal conditions. Always consult a healthcare professional before use. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this spray? It is used to relieve nasal congestion. 2. Can it be used daily? Only for the duration prescribed by your doctor. 3. Is it safe? Yes, but side effects may occur. 4. Can children use it? Yes, but consult a doctor if under 12. 5. How long does it take to work? Approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.